Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I am back with this month's Boxycharm. I think the mailman must have ran it over before they brought it to me because this was how the box was like, and it had some like a little bit of extra packing tape on this end. So I think there's an eyeshadow palette. Let's hope that it's not completely destroyed. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet. So if you're new to my channel or you're new to Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products totaling at least $100, and you can get it every month. Or you can upgrade every 3 months for what's called Boxy Luxe, where it has a little bit more luxe products, and it costs, in addition to the $21, it costs $28.99 on top of that. So it's a total of $49.99. So it's a really cool way to, if you don't have a lot of makeup or high-end brands, this is how I have accumulated most of my high-end brands, was through Boxycharm. So I do have a referral code. You'll get a free item, as will I. I don't make any money, no commission or anything like that. If you don't feel comfortable using the code, don't use it. Just go to boxycharm.com. And I'm not sure what this month's free item is. I know the last month was a Becca under eye primer, so I'm not sure if they switched it or if it's the same thing. Mr. is here. Hello. Okay, say hello. Hello, up here. Hey, psst, psst, up here. That's as good as we're gonna get, folks. It's hot here. So anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. This is my cat, Mr. He's the star of the show here. And if you're wondering what is on my eyes, it is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Ring the Alarm palette. I took these out and I'm gonna try and get some use out of them. The way the launch was kind of like a flop, and there was so much drama when I got them. Like, I didn't even feel like playing with them because it was just like drama. So I used them a few times and then I just put them away and haven't looked at them since. So I have pulled those out to give some more love to this month, or however long I'm giving the love. But that is what's on my eyes. I don't have anything really too much on my lips. I just came from the dentist, got a new tooth done. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So here is what the box looks like. And we have our card, which we get every month. And this month, the theme is Au Naturel. So the first thing I see here is this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this is $35. It says, get a shot of green goodness with this skin treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So I will definitely get use out of this. I love to mask. Let's see, next up, I see this is the Luxie, what is that, Gaea or Gaea? I'm not exactly sure how you pronounce that. This is a 3-piece brush set, and it says that it is an eco-friendly brush set, and you can apply the foundation with this S10 foundation brush, blend eyeshadow with the 250 brush. This says it's a large eye blender, and this is a precision crease brush. And these have a biodegradable handle on them, which is really nice. They're really pretty, kind of like a rose gold, but you can tell that they're like wood or whatever the sustainable resources that they used for that. So that's really good. It says that it just says that you can use them, as I said. I thought it might have given some more information. No, it doesn't really say too much on here. So I always like to get brushes. They're super soft, and Luxie has good quality brushes, so I'm sure that I will get use out of them. This one I will probably use to put masks on. I don't really use this kind of brush for foundation. But that is retail value $30. Next thing here is an Elemis skin bar ready for a facial, a flash facial. You can get a $10 Ulta skin bar. I guess you can get like some sort of a facial. Custom Elemis flash facial. So I guess you take that to Ulta. I didn't even know Ulta did masks. Next thing here I see is from Alamar Cosmetics. This is Mother of Pearl Gloss. The packaging is really cute. It's like got sparkles on the handle here. And this is in the shade, I don't even know. Retail value on this is $10. And let me see what shade this is. Serenitia, probably means serenity. And let's just try some on my hand. It's just got like a little bit of a peachiness to it. I will definitely use that. Hopefully it won't be sticky. And then let's see here. We have the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. This says it's retail value of $32. Well, look at there. It's not even broken and the mailman ran my box over. So no broken palette. That's awesome. Let's do a few little swatches here. It's kind of a pretty palette. So let's see. It's very heavy on the shimmers. There's only a couple mattes, a little bit crumbly on that one of the shimmers there, but it seems to be a pretty good formula. So you have 4 shimmers and then these 2 here are the mattes. So I'll definitely give it a shot and see what happens. And then the last thing here is another filler item, as I like to call them. This is an Appeal Gel Liner. Line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. It says it's $21. A pretty color. It's like a brown, so that's nice. It can either be used for the lips or the eyes, so we'll see how it works out. You guys know I'll come back next month and give you my thoughts after I've tested everything this month. So that is it for the box this month. Let's see what the grand total is. $128 this month, so good value. Everything in the box is something that I'm gonna give a shot. And yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe before you leave. Click that notification bell. You'll be notified of new videos. And that's gonna do it for this month's Boxycharm. Make sure to come back next month when I review all the products that are in here and give you my final thoughts on what I thought and how they worked. So that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.